I'm Lauren Espin, and this is the Optimistic Outlook in 5. When most people think about the future of energy, they think about solar panels, batteries, maybe electric vehicles. But the real story is something bigger. It's about resilience. Because in an economy increasingly powered by electrification, AI, advanced manufacturing, and digital infrastructure, reliable energy isn't optional anymore. It's foundational. And in Wendell, North Carolina, Siemens is showing what that future can look like. Recently, Siemens officially powered on one of the more advanced industrial microgrids in the United States, a state-of-the-art system integrated directly into the company's U.S. electrification and automation headquarters. Think of a microgrid as a localized energy network. It can connect to the traditional grid when needed, but it can also operate independently, balancing power, generation, battery storage, building systems, and energy demand in real time. The Wendell Microgrid project underscores Siemens' unwavering commitment to achieving a net zero carbon footprint by 2030 and represents a significant advancement for sustainable manufacturing in the United States. The microgrid combines a 1.25 megawatt solar photovoltaic system with a 3.9 megawatt-hour battery energy storage system, enabling the facility to generate, store, and intelligently manage its own energy on site. And at times, the system can meet 100% of the facility's energy needs through renewable energy alone. That means the campus can continue operating independently, even during grid disruptions. Additionally, as one of the largest solar and storage industrial microgrids interconnected with Duke Energy's distribution network in the Carolinas, the system can participate in net energy metering, exporting excess electricity back to the grid to support other customers. This capability not only strengthens energy reliability at the Wendell campus, but also contributes to broader grid stability for the surrounding community. In other words, keeping facilities like this one online helps keep the broader energy ecosystem moving. And as electricity demand accelerates nationwide, driven by data centers, AI, electrification, and industrial growth, resilience is becoming one of the defining challenges of the modern grid. At Wendell, Siemens built that system using its own end-to-end technology portfolio. Even the electric vehicle chargers on site are made by Siemens and integrated into the system, allowing EVs to charge using self-generated solar power while dynamically balancing energy demand across the campus. The project has already helped the Wendell campus achieve fully carbon-neutral operations while reducing annual grid energy consumption by approximately 2.5 megawatt-hours. But this story isn't only about sustainability. It's also about making business more competitive. Manufacturing in America increasingly depends on reliable, intelligent energy infrastructure. And according to Siemens USA Electrification and Automation President Brian Dula, this project demonstrates what modern industrial operations can become. Not just more sustainable, but more efficient, more digital, and more resilient. That broader transformation is already happening across the Wendell campus. In addition to the microgrid, Siemens recently expanded manufacturing operations, opened a new customer experience center, launched workforce training classroom through its Power Academy initiative, and continues to add jobs as the site grows through 2028 and beyond. Building the future doesn't just require technology. It requires people, skilled workers, engineers, electricians, and operators. Siemens is also partnering with Wake Technical Community College to explore future microgrid development and workforce training opportunities to help prepare the next generation of energy and electrification professionals. The Wendell microgrid offers a glimpse of a future where resilience is built directly into the infrastructure itself, where implementing smart solutions creates more opportunities for a skilled workforce. I'm Lauren Espin, and this is the Optimistic Outlook in 5. Thanks for listening. Thank you for joining us on this episode of the Optimistic Outlook. Be sure to tune in for more conversations with leaders shaping technology for a better tomorrow. Please subscribe to The Optimistic Outlook wherever you listen to your podcasts, and be sure to share the podcast with a friend or colleague.